Hey y'all, I am Lauren Toyota from Hot for Food, and today I've got an interesting, unique video for you. I am going to show you how to sell ebooks online and how I have done it from the beginning actually with Hot for Food, my own company and online brand, while I actually make a recipe from my new ebook. I'm gonna make the warm shaved Brussels sprout salad with miso mustard vinaigrette, and this is in my new ebook, Hot for Holidays, More Next Level Recipes for a Festive Feast. This is a follow-up to the very first Hot for Holidays ebook I put out a few years ago that had 5 recipes. This new ebook, available right now at the link in the description, has 12 epic recipes that prove you can eat cruelty-free for the holidays. Just check out some of these delectable recipes in the book, like vegetable biscuit pot pie. I also have a stuffing bread loaf, which is a bunch of herbaceous sausage stuffing inside of a whole crusty loaf of bread. I have a potato pave with béarnaise sauce, and lots of desserts, including these microwave molten chocolate cakes that are super easy, very soft sugar cookies that look like snowballs, and cranberry orange shortbread cookies. Click the link below to purchase my ebook now, and this will take you to my PayHip storefront. I've got a number of ebooks available, so if you've ever thought of turning your delicious recipes into an ebook that you can sell to your audience on social media, this is how to do it. It's so easy. I've used PayHip from day one, like I mentioned, as my e-commerce platform to sell my ebooks. PayHip is a popular e-commerce site designed for selling digital products. There's a community of over 130,000 sellers, and it allows brands and small businesses like mine to establish another monetization opportunity completely free of charge. I sell all these digital PDF downloads of my ebooks, but of course you can sell other products like online courses, coaching, memberships, and even physical products. This is a perfect way to diversify your income streams, and that's what I'm all about here at Hot for Food. When you run a business like this, which is basically a one-woman show, you need a number of income streams, and so PayHip has really made it super easy for me to do this. Let's get into making the recipe. It is the warm shaved Brussels sprout salad. It's super easy. This is gonna be like a new way for you to serve Brussels sprouts on the holiday table. I actually like them shaved like this. Basically, you take your whole Brussels and then thinly slice them. So shaved meaning just thinly sliced or ribboned. And then the best way to clean this is once they're all chopped, to run them through a salad spinner and then give them a good wash, and then towel dry them with clean dish towels. The main dishes, scrumptious sides, and simple desserts that are featured in my latest Hot for Holidays ebook were all from my former member platform, Eat It by Hot for Food. It's since been shut down, so I repackaged these into a PDF ebook using Canva, which is the graphic design program that I use to create every visual thing that you see Hot for Food post. You can use recipe page templates or cookbook templates that are already existing in Canva, which is what I did, and it's basically plug and play. I still have over 100 recipes from my member site that I've got saved away on my hard drive, so I probably will package more ebooks together and sell them to y'all out there, and I will save some and put them on hotforfoodblog.com once in a while as well. So there'll be free recipes and recipes that I'm going to charge for. So once you've designed your ebook in whatever program you like, mine is in Canva, you just export it as a PDF, and this is the file that you're going to upload directly to the PayHip platform when you create your new product. So you just log in and create an account. From there, you'll go to the product dashboard, and you can see my existing ebooks are already here. The current one is already up, but I will do it again. It's super easy just to walk you through the process. So you'll just click Add New. And then of course you have your choices. Mine is a digital product, but here you can see courses, physical products, bundles, coaching services, and memberships. And it's super easy. You just upload your product file. So that's the PDF I exported from Canva. I create my title and I add the price. For this ebook, it's $12, which works out to $1 per recipe, just for your information. You'll also upload a thumbnail, like a cover image. So obviously here it's going to be the cover of the ebook. And then you can write a description. And I even upload a preview file. So basically I've gone into Canva and eliminated the actual recipe text pages and just shown some images so that the audience can get a preview of the recipes that are in this book. So I'll upload that as well. What's great is there are built-in security features like download limits and PDF stamping that you can use to protect your work from piracy. You'll get a free website domain and hosting for your storefront. That's what I've done here. It's payhip.com/hotforfoodblog. My website in particular has issues with embedding things, but you can also embed this onto your own custom built domain. So I link from hotforfoodblog.com, and then it comes here to the PayHip storefront that I have. Now, in terms of pricing, PayHip does take a 5% fee off every sale, but if you're just starting out and haven't sold anything, they take nothing. So not to worry if you're still building your audience and getting the word out. PayHip is easily one of the most affordable options out there. If you sell nothing, you pay nothing. But once your sales start flooding in, you can opt into one of the monthly payment plans to eliminate some of those percentage fees. And there you go. You can see my product's been added to my shop. Here you can preview the product page. So every product has an individual click-through link that will take you directly to buy it. And then of course my payhip.com/hotforfood blog will display all the products I have in my collection. So now I'm ready to start selling my ebook. I did make it available just before Canadian Thanksgiving, but US Thanksgiving is right around the corner. And then of course we've got the holidays in December. So no matter what you're celebrating, I hope you'll check out Hot for Holidays, my second ebook featuring holiday inspired recipes for a festive feast. It's $12, which is $1 per recipe. So let's finish off this Brussels sprout salad. Basically, you're gonna take the clean and dry shaved Brussels and spread them out onto a large baking sheet in an even layer. You're gonna toss this in olive oil and salt and pepper, and then roast them for about 20 minutes. You'll want to toss this maybe halfway through, depending on how your oven heat is distributed, and just make sure the color is golden brown throughout. And immediately out of the oven, you're going to put this in your serving dish, toss half the pistachios and a little bit of the dressing in there, and then garnish with the remaining pistachios on top. Of course, it's best served warm, but if it happens to cool down a little bit, it's still just as delicious. Cruciferous veg like Brussels sprouts can really hold up to heat and a lot of sauce without getting too soggy for a while. Of course, if you want this recipe, you have to get my new ebook, which is in the link in the description. There's also a link in the description for you to click through and sign up for PayHip right now. And again, you don't have to be a food creator. You could be a tech creator, you could be a therapy creator, any kind of thing, and you can create courses, ebooks, whatever you want to sell, you can package and present on payhip.com. With just a few clicks and a little bit of clever text and pricing, you can have your product up really in minutes. For me, it's been the easiest, most seamless way for me to sell my ebooks. And to all of you out there who have purchased Hot for Food ebooks or are going to purchase this new one now, thank you so much for supporting a small woman-owned business. It really is just me. Got my camera set up, I do it all myself. Leave any comments or questions below as well for me if you want to know how to run an online business, how to get started, or how to use PayHip. I always check the comments and try to answer as quick as possible. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.